Asuntoskehtiö Pukinmäki.
This is some things. What was the address here?
Eskolantie 8 to 10.
Eskolantie. Sticks A here. Also in Pukinmäki Volksbacka. Here Helsinki Sports was in the Finland. Best is what was it? There's backgrounds in Swedish and Finnish here outside as it should be. Yeah, very nice. Maybe nice pictures also. Here all the panels are in Swedish and Finnish.
Yeah. D9081 H44433, very nice serial number.
Interesting serial number also. And rare, the serial number is rare.
Yeah.
Open up the list.
Yeah.
That's right. So I'll take yeah. Oh, the panel, everything is in the official matches.
Yeah.
We should also try this XSPC MD here, but they're more difficult.
Yeah, but later.
Yeah. But they were planning to demolish this, or
No.
then there's still some time.
Yeah.
I thought they were going to.
Yeah.
It was a bit of an epic fail. But yeah, it happens. But we didn't know if they were going to come.
Yeah. It's did by Lift Institute and maintained by Suomen Hissiurakointi.
I think they're just cleaning.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it.
Moi.